create a dramatic obsidian magma tractate effect in Pelab with a dark, premium volcanic atmosfere. Start with a deep black background featuring subtle smoke as a particles and fine volcanic textures. Is a bold, Jafai typography aangefitte letters a rauw geglossy obsidian surface witte saar beveel het etges. Add glowing orange red magma cracks drooghout te tijd, making the molten liquid apart to seen from inside the letters. In Pelab, combine gradient fills, inner shadows, outer glow, stroke, bevel style heglights, and carefully positioned shadows for depth. Add brigid eilovete heglights along the hottest cracks and a soft red orange glow around the date. Finesse with the stuttered sparks and subtle smoke for a powerful,